faster! Run, run, run! Go, go, go! Go!
What?
Whoa!
It's like the smallest thing ever.
Okay, okay, wait. Okay, guys. Hey, let's get together. They want a picture with us. It's kind of funny that only a few weeks ago, reality was getting doused in buckets of ice cold water, and everyone around us asking, are you okay? Are you fine? Are you happy? Most people's reaction in a situation like that would have been, no, f*** you. But for the people of Myanmar, this is their New Year's celebration. It's called Thingyan, or Water Festival. When I first arrived in Myanmar, everyone was buzzing about Water Festival. Everyone loads up on water guns, buckets of ice, fire hoses, basically anything that can get you wet. They load up into trucks, they drive around town, and for 4 straight days... Bring a towel. Yeah! Oh, they're replenishing us. It's so kind. Wow, that is. Somebody's gonna be sick by the end of this.
Yeah.
I mean, listen. I'm trying to be optimistic here. Now, having experienced Songkran in Thailand for the last 2 years, I figured I knew what I'd have in store. But I think the biggest surprise wasn't the festival itself. It was how we were welcomed. Until lately, Myanmar was a country that was largely shut off from the world. The people of Myanmar are immensely grateful for tourism, and they show great warmth to foreigners during this event. With Water Festival in full swing, we decided to get out for a little bit. Go out and explore other parts of Mandalay. Things we might not have been prompted to visit had we stayed in town the whole time.
Changed yesterday and today.
there's a moral to this story, I think. It's that there's a balance for everything. Peace and calamity, old and new, expectations and surprise. The Mandalay we got to know was a far cry from everything we expected. But we got to experience two sides to an amazing place. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. See you guys for my next adventure. Peace out.